In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen and view participants in Google Meet. Whether you're new to Google Meet or simply need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can confidently engage with your meeting attendees. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Google Meet's website. Once you're there, look for the sign in button. This will prompt you to log in using your Google account credentials. Don't worry if you have multiple accounts, you'll be able to select the appropriate one shortly. Once you've clicked on sign in, you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose which Google account you'd like to use. Pick the one associated with your meetings or the one you'd like to use for this session. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Carefully type it in and then hit next to proceed. Once you're signed in, you'll see your meetings listed. Click on the meeting you're scheduled to attend or host. For instance, let's say you have a meeting titled Example Meeting. Click on it and you'll be brought to the meeting's entry screen. Here's where you'll click on Ask to Join. This step is crucial, especially if you're not the host, as it sends a request to enter the meeting. Now, let's get into sharing your screen. Once the meeting begins, you'll find a Share Screen button at the bottom corner of your screen. It's typically next to the smiley face icon. Clicking this will open a window allowing you to choose what you'd like to share. You can either share your entire screen, a specific application window, or just a browser tab. Choose the option that best fits your needs and click Share. As you start sharing your screen, all participants in the meeting will be able to view your content. This feature is incredibly useful for presentations, walkthroughs, or any scenario where visual demonstration is key. It's important to keep in mind to monitor the content being displayed and ensure everything visible is appropriate and intended for the audience. Throughout this process, you can still see the participants in the meeting. Google Meet conveniently displays participants on the side, allowing you to maintain engagement and acknowledge feedback while presenting. This feature ensures a seamless experience where interaction is never lost. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to confidently share your screen and actively view participants during a Google Meet session. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly powerful for fostering effective communication and collaboration, whether it's a business meeting, virtual class, or family gathering. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.